Looks like I murdered Barbie in here.
I was here and now you're here, squirrel. My cats are so cute. I'm sorry. I'll stop disturbing you. Hey y'all. Welcome to this vlog. It is like 4 o'clock already on this fine Wednesday afternoon, but I wanted to vlog because I think I'm gonna dye my hair again. I dyed it a few months ago, back when we first started quarantine. And guess what? Nothing really changed. It didn't do anything. But anyways, I just went to Target. I had to get some probiotics. Fun fact, I take probiotics. And they were running a deal that you get like a gift card if you bought so much and you did order pickup. So I did drive up, which was like super convenient. But I didn't just get probiotics. I also got this KRISTIN ESS Rose Gold Temporary Tint. It's just a spray that you spray on your hair. I've been wanting pink hair for a while now, and I'm too chicken to actually do it. I wish I had done it when we were still like in lockdown. Anyway, my friend Kayla tried this rose gold spray and it looked so good on her. So I picked up a bottle and we're gonna try it on my hair. Except for my hair is pretty dark right now. Let's see if I can show you. It's not as light as I want it to be, and the rose gold is gonna show up on lighter hair. So my plan is to use this bad boy on it first. This was on clearance at Target and I got it forever ago. See, it was $5 and so I just bought it, and it's the lightest blonde available. I do have some bleach, but I'm gonna try this first. And if it doesn't do anything, oh well. And if it does something, great. So I think I'm gonna go dye my hair right now. Okay, hello. I am post shower. I turned one of my softbox lights on because it is Armageddon outside. I left the color in my hair for about 25 minutes and I rinsed it out, added the conditioner that comes in the kit. And now we're gonna let it dry to see the final result. My expectations are low from what I could tell in the shower. My hair didn't get that much blonder, but we shall see. And then once my hair is dry and we can see what, if anything, the blonde color did, I'm gonna jump back in the shower, wash my hair, then apply the rose gold tint to wet hair in the shower. So that might be a tomorrow project. Wow, this bun looks massive. I followed a TikTok tutorial to do this messy bun, and you know what? I actually really like it. I'm impressed it turned out well. I'm pretty proud of myself. All right, hey y'all, it is the next day. Actually, it is 2 days since you last saw me. Chai's coming over to say hi. I'll take down my hair in a second and show you the transformation. I mean, spoiler alert, it just got a little bit blonder. But I didn't film yesterday because I woke up and I felt not great. I was just really nauseous. It was like the kind of nausea if you take a big pill on an empty stomach, you know, you kind of get that wave of like, oh, that passed.
and then I was like really warm and I could tell I had a fever. So I took my temperature. I had a very, very low fever of 99. For me, that's like hot because I run low. I run around like 97. So after I took my temperature, I was like, you know what? Let's go get a COVID test. So I just drove to urgent care and got a COVID test, and I'm gonna stay home until I get my test results. So it literally could be nothing. I feel pretty much okay. I just feel like a little bit wonky. In pre-COVID times, I would be like, whatever, I have a tiny little cold. I'll take some ibuprofen and go about my day. But now I'm just like so extra cautious. I'm just gonna try and stay home until I know I'm negative. I got my test at the same place we went to before. We went a few weeks ago, just like basically just for fun. I mean, not for fun, but we just wanted to see if like we had it. And that time we went, it was really easy. It was just like the short little nose swab. But when I went yesterday, it was the long boy. It went all the way up to my brain. But I think it feels good. Is that crazy? I am a masochist. It feels like it's cleaning out my sinuses. And I mean, not to flex, but the nurse said I was the best one of the day, meaning I sat very still for her. That's a weird brag. But anyway, I am home for the foreseeable future. Hopefully this was just nothing and I can go back to living my life and I won't get super, super sick. But the doctor was definitely like, these are early signs of COVID. Everything is early signs of COVID. But, you know, these are like, I had 2 COVID symptoms of a fever and nausea. So here I am in my house. And luckily I wear my mask religiously. I'm always wearing it. And that's really important because it's good to protect yourself, but it's even better to protect other people. So like if I was a carrier and like didn't know it, if I've had it in my body for 2 weeks now and I'm only showing symptoms now, at least everyone I've come in contact with, I'm wearing a mask.
Update. My test results were negative.
Okay, so today I am going to spray paint my hair pink, but now what I wanted to do, what I wanted to show y'all is another little Amazon haul. I just got, I think there's like 5 things here and it's all workout clothes. I think I got 2 pairs of biker shorts and 3 t-shirts, and I haven't tried any of them on yet. So I thought I would try them on for you in the vlog. Let's do it. Okay, hi. So we have our first outfit on. These are the Bayleaf 8-inch running shorts. Yeah. And let me tell you, they are super high quality. They're high-waisted. They got a pocket here. They got a pocket here. Move tag. There you go. Look at that pocket. But I'm not sure if they're my style. They're just so long. I got 8 inches because like, you know, but I maybe would like them if they were a little bit shorter. I'm not sure. They are super high quality. I got a size large and they were $26.99. So definitely on the pricier side, $27 for biker shorts. But if you're looking for high quality biker shorts, I do recommend these. Now this top is CRZ Yoga and it was $18. I'm not sure what happened with the shoulders here. It looks like it was on a hanger for some time and there was like pokey shoulders. Look at that. I got it in a medium and I kind of wish I had gotten it in a large just because it's a little smaller than I wanted. I wanted it to be oversized and it ain't. When you look at the picture of the girl on Amazon, the sleeves are kind of hanging off of her, whereas these sleeves are very much tight on my arm. It's all right. I wish I'd bought a large. Am I gonna keep it? I don't know. It was $18 and I don't love it. So I might just exchange it for a different size. It's just a pretty plain green t-shirt. See, there's a seam in the back. It's kind of nice. I don't know, nothing to write home about. All right, now I'm wearing outfit number 2. Woohoo! So these biker shorts are the Yogalicious biker shorts. They also have a pocket here, also high-waisted, also have a pocket here, and I just like the length of these so much more. I just feel like they're a little bit cuter because they're not so long.
The only thing I'm worried about with this color is it's showing sweat. Yeah, you might sweat through this because it's like a lighter color. I mean, it looks pretty dark on here, but it's definitely not black. You know, I put on my matching sports bra that's kind of the same purple. These shorts were $22.99, so $23, so a little cheaper than the bay leaf ones. Still really high quality, and I got them in a size large. It says sell for $52. Yeah, no, that's a lie. I definitely got them for $23. I don't know how many inches these are. I think they're like 5-inch inseam maybe, but I will link everything down in the description if you want to check it out. Yogalicious is my favorite brand of leggings. I absolutely love their leggings, so I decided to go with their biker shorts. Now, this top is super cute in the back. Let me show you. See, with the little open back? I love how long it is, covers your butt, purple and purple. However, I'm not a fan of the front of this shirt. Look at this. I want a nice like boxy t-shirt, and why does this one go like in and like flare out? I hate women's cut t-shirts. I always buy men's t-shirts. So like, I don't know where this product description went wrong. It's like, ow. I just want it nice and like big and boxy, and it's not. Okay, so this is by the brand Solo Pop, and it was $18.99, so $19, and I got it in a medium. And I don't think I need to go up to a large. I think it fits me. It's just not like the boxy look I wanted. I'm a little disappointed, a little bit. Okay, I have one more shirt to try. Okay, so this is the last top. Ooh, I'm sorry, my mirror is so dirty. Like, I need to really wipe it down. Okay, so this is the last top. It is from the brand Move With You. Never heard of it, but I do really like this one. I just wish it was a little bit bigger, a little boxier. It's the story of my life. But this one also has a really cute back. I will show you the back. See, it's just a little mesh racer back, nice and open, so your bra can show, your cute purple bra can show. And this top I got in a medium, and it was also $18.99, so $19. And I think I like this one way more than the other white one. It does like kind of slim you a little bit, but not as bad as the other one. And I like this like front flap detail. I know it looks like it fits me like super nicely. I just like an oversized shirt, okay? It's my fault for ordering medium and not ordering large. So I think what I'm gonna do now is go order this one again in large, and they also have it in white, so maybe I'll get a white large one too and replace that other one. Yeah, I think that's the move here. But please let me know what you think, because I value your opinion. And if you have any like workout t-shirts that you really love, please leave a comment down below. It's so hot here in Florida. I just want some nice like moisture wicking open back t-shirts. Yeah. Okay, it is much later today, but the time has finally come for pink hair. So let me show you my end result of dyeing it blonde yesterday. I have so many ponytail holders in my hair. Ooh, what a look. So I think my hair looks a little blonder than it was before. Was that step really necessary for the pink? No, but am I glad I did it? Yes, because I had the hair dye and every little bit of blonde helps. Ooh, I have so many bobby pins in my hair. All right, my roots are still pretty dark, but all of this looks pretty nice and blonde, a little bit blonder. Let's do pink. Hello, welcome back to my bathroom. So all I've done so far is just wash my hair with my purple shampoo. I just use this, not your mother's purple shampoo. I have put on an old college t-shirt. Now we're gonna spray my hair. Apply spray in the shower on wet hair. For a more intense pink color, towel dry the hair before you spray. That's the one we're gonna do. Got my t-shirt towel right here because I don't use regular towels on my curly hair. I use old cotton t-shirts. How much should I dry it? I don't know. All right, it's significantly damp is what I would say. Oh my God, what do my eyeballs look like? Oh, got one raccoon eye. This eye's good. This eye's a raccoon. I usually don't wear mascara in the shower, so I forgot to take it off. So here we are. Okay, I'm gonna say my hair is 85 to 92% wet. Maybe, I don't know. It was soaking wet. I dried it with the t-shirt for a little bit, and now it's slightly less soaking wet. So let's spray it.
Oh, you can really see the pink.
Oh, Steven, our shower wall is coated in pink now.
Uh-oh. No, it's okay. That's why you do it in the shower.
I'll run this brush through it. Sort of. Ooh, you can already see the pink coming through. I might have sprayed the whole side of my face just there. Ooh, it does not smell good. No, get away from my camera.
I'm doing a lot, man. I want pink hair. Looks like I murdered Barbie in here. Oh, now my hair is dripping.
Oh God, don't get it in your eyeballs. I say as I flick pink water hair into my eyeballs.
Oh, I'm a mess. This is a mess.
Okay, so now I'm just gonna let it sit in my hair for 2 minutes and condition my hair as normal. That's what the bottle says. Wish me luck. Oh, let me show you my bathtub right now.
It's a murder scene in here. Oh, it matches my razor.
3 hours later.
Okay, it is much, much later now. I would say my hair is about 70% dry, so it will get a little drier and a little lighter in color, but I'm a little disappointed. I mean, my application process was not very thorough, so you can kind of see a few like pink streaks here and there. Maybe if I did it like in front of a mirror, then I could actually see like which strands I'm getting, but I have to do it in the shower because it was so messy. I'll show you guys again tomorrow when it's like light outside and it's easier to see and my hair is totally dry. Maybe I'll even like straighten it and so it's like a little easier to see. I definitely did something, I just wish it had done more.
The next day.
All right, so you can see it definitely worked. So it turns your hair rose gold. It's really pretty blush color. I do like it. My application process was not the best. As you can see, I only got bits and pieces in my hair. It's a little haphazard. It's more like highlights than all over color. Well, it's really more like sporadic highlights, really. I would say great product. It's a little bit of a learning curve to apply it. My application, I give a 2 out of 10, but I'm glad I have more of this because I'm definitely gonna apply more.
End of flashback.
I was also able to order some of my Amazon stuff in a larger size. So I got that black shirt in a large and I got it in the color white too. And the green shirt I got in a large as well. Sorry, it's loud because Steven's making us dinner right now. I'm very grateful. I'm very hungry. I also bought a couple pairs of earrings. I'm trying to change up my like everyday earring game. I got 2 different pairs of like small gold hoops. All of that stuff comes in a few days, and when it does, I'll show you guys in the next vlog. Yeah, we're gonna eat some dinner now. Steven is making us one of our home chef meals. In case I don't say it tomorrow, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing and maybe I'll make another video. Okay, bye y'all. Chai says, bye y'all.